Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the electronic control on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To remove the console, gain access to the two Phillips screws on the rear and remove them. Next, pull the console up and forward to release it from the tabs. With the console rolled forward, we now have access to the connectors for the electronic control. Make sure to pay attention to whether or not each connector has a tab that must be depressed before pulling it out. With the wiring removed, take out the 1/4-inch screw on the back of the mounting plate. Finally, use a flat blade screwdriver to press the tab in the middle of the plate. Then, slide the electronic control over and out. To install the electronic control, slide the tabs into the opening and slide the electronic control into position until it locks in place. Install the 1/4-inch screw on the back of the plate. Plug in the wiring connectors. Each connector is keyed and uniquely shaped, so they cannot be mixed up. With the connectors installed, give each one a final check to be sure they're locked in place. Now we can reinstall the console. Roll the console back into place and lock the two tabs on each side. Finally, reinstall the two Phillips screws on the rear. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.